Here we have a 2025 Ranger Next Gen XL Super Cab fitted in grey, water resistant canvas front and rear. If you're viewing this on YouTube, I'll put timestamps in the comments so you can jump to front to rear, or if you want, check out the whole video, would be fantastic. So the front pair have separate headrests, so it's a Next Gen Ranger, so seat covers are custom made to the shape of the Next Gen seat. This is an XL model. We do a bonus center console in the canvas or suede options available. You've got airbag provision on the door sides of both backrests. XL so has manual controls accessible on the driver with our seat covers fitted. Then we move on to the back seat. Being a super cab, of course, the two-seat setup. Let me just adjust the lighting. Separate headrests, a one-piece little backrest. We can actually ship these seat covers for the back seat out to you. We supply fitting instructions how to remove the panel and unbolt everything to fit the seat cover. Then you've got the two separate bases, belt buckles exposed, release tag at the front, so the bases can still be removed out of the cab if need be. If you made it through the whole video, I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Cheers.